Hi, how are you? We are going to draw a boat here. So let's start the drawing. This is the top part of the boat. It's a traditional South Asian boat. I'm just drawing right now. Alright. And we just draw a curved line along the whole body. Okay. So another curved line, as you can see here. We connect it like this. Also, we connect this point like this. Then we draw another double line to make it thicker. Connect the points here. Alright. So we are going to draw two parallel lines on the ground of the boat. Alright. There's a few hatch like here. Inside are the smaller and outside are the bigger hatches. To make a variation of the texture, we use this kind of differentiation. Then we extend the outside like this, and also this one. This is the wave at the bottom of the boat. We can draw a thin or a light bamboo pole here, and another one here. And the pole we can draw like this. And this kind of detail on top, because this is a manual boat or propelled by the wind. Alright, so another structural point here, and the thing is connected with the rope from the bottom to the top like this. Now we can draw the water. It's like a cloud-like pattern. Alright, so you can see this is the basic shape of a traditional boat. Now we can draw the shades and other colors. Let's put a black shade for the bottom part of the board. The drawing is very easy. You don't have to worry about how do they look, nothing to worry, because the shape of a board is a very regular shape and it's nothing complicated. These two lines, these are the thicker lines here on the other side. Alright, so these 2 points, these are the most dark points. Let's draw it with the pen. Alright, and also this point. So as you know, it's going to be very nice. Let's put a orange color for this pole and this wind hauling things here. It has a common name. It's called the sailboat. Alright, so the orange part is very prominent here. We can draw the bamboo poles with light green color. As you can see, I'm drawing right now. Alright. Let's put this color in the middle. Alright. So few dark shades along the top, this part. So at the bottom we can draw the few black outlines alongside the borders for the water. Let's put the blue color in the bottom to show the waters. Okay, alright, so this is the drawing. All you need to do is to observe the drawing, watch the video, feel all the things and learn all the things, all the steps and the instructions. Do practice at your home. Thanks for watching. If you like, please subscribe the videos and stay well, stay healthy, stay fine. Have a good day.